To start with the edit function, what we need to do first is create a page, a show page to display it. So it'll be similar to the create page. So let's head into the text editor, and then we'll start first with the route. So web, and in here we can just copy and paste this one. So copy paste. This one will be, we're going to use root model binding. So we'll just say role. And then this and this will be show. Okay, so let's open up the controller, role controller. And then we'll head down to the show method or function. And then we'll return inertia, render, and the page will be admin, roles, show. And then the parameter that we need to pass in here is the role, because we're passing it in up here and we're passing it in through the route. Okay, so it'll be role equals role. Okay, now let's go ahead and create this page. We will just go ahead and take the create page and then change it. We'll copy and paste it. So copy, paste, and then we'll just rename it show. Rename show. So in here we need to accept the role prop. So we already have roles in here. We'll just say role. Then here we can just change this to role name. And actually, while I'm at it, in this create method, we don't need that roles in here. Okay, so let's just take that out. Okay, so that was just a quick change, and okay. So now in here, we can keep the form function name submit, and now all of this will be the same except for this submit. We'll change this to update, and then we'll go down. Everything else is fine. This will now be this role name since we're accepting it as the property to edit. We'll do this form patch, this root admin roles update. Then we'll pass in this role ID, and then we'll also pass in this form. And before we go to the browser, let's go ahead to the index page and add that route to the button. Okay, so we'll open this up. This green button here should now be href equals it'll be route admin roles show, and then we also need to pass in the role ID, and that should be good. Now we can go and refresh. So go back, refresh, and now if we click the last one that we made, we should be able to go to that page. Okay, and we are, and you can see we have new role previewed up here. We have role name and it's already in our input. Okay, so why don't we go ahead and create the route for that patch method that we have for the submit method right here. So admin roles update. So we'll head back to the web.php, and then we can go ahead and copy and paste this one. Copy paste. This will now be patch. We again are going to use root model binding, and in here and here we're just going to add update. Okay, so let's head into the role controller and work on that method, which is right here. So open that up. And we can actually go ahead, instead of typing all that stuff, we can just copy it from the store method because it's pretty much going to be the same thing. So copy, and in update we'll just paste it in here. And instead of create, this is now going to be, I'll just do it like this. So role create or update, and then we can get rid of this, get rid of these, bring this up, clean this up a bit, put a semicolon at the end, and bring this up as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and give this a try. So we'll go back, we'll refresh, and now let's just add, I don't know, updated at the end of this, like update. Okay, and now we're redirected back. The role was created successfully, and if we go down, we see it right down here, role 3 updated. Okay, so now let's work on the delete. Go back to the text editor, and since we're already in the controller, let's just copy this part of it. So copy, and in the destroy method, we'll just paste it in here and take out what we don't need. So we don't need this because we're not checking for validation on anything. We're going to just say role delete. In the route will be also root model binding, so we'll make sure that's in there. And then we can get rid of this stuff in here. And then we'll return back with success role deleted successfully. And let's make sure that we change this as well, updated successfully. Okay, so now if we head into the web.php, now we can take this and do copy paste. We'll say delete, and the function or method that we're using is destroy. Okay, so now in order to do this, our delete button is actually in our index page, our roles index page. So it's right here. So now in this delete form that we have here, we can just add the method at submit prevent equals submit. And let's go ahead and pass in the role ID into that. We only need one equal sign there. Okay, let's head down. And now for our methods, all we need to put is submit. We'll pass in the ID, open that up, and it'll be this inertia delete, this route admin roles destroy, and then we'll just go ahead and pass in the ID. Okay, so let's head back to the browser and see if that works. We'll go back, we'll refresh, and now we'll try to delete the new one that we just made. So delete. Okay, fantastic. So the new role that we just updated is now gone, and we have our message up here. Fantastic. So we have now finished the roles portion of this series. The next one, we are going to start working with these admins. Okay, I'm going to be sure to push all this code up to GitHub. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.